Hello, TPG Tech Squad. If you were wondering, I just kind of got up not too long ago, and I wanted to go ahead and push out this one at home base because it's one of those shorter videos. If you've watched my previous laptop diagnosis video, this is essentially the follow up to that work that I did on that Flex, where we close everything out essentially. Spoiler alert, I kind of make a teensy little bit of a mistake.
You totally bought a brand new trackpad because you forgot to check the driver.
Did I offend you? Yeah, I totally didn't make a mistake. This was just an example to always check your work. And I hope my teachers aren't watching this at all. They're probably not. They really don't care. But anyways, okay, let's get right into the teardown. My primary objective here, from what we last left off on, is to reassemble and get our NVMe M.2 in, and also do the trackpad because of reasons. In order to install the new trackpad for this one, you must do so by taking the motherboard out. Sadly, I did need to do so in the first place, so that's great. Next, we're in the process of reassembly. I usually write down the order in which I take out the components because it is certainly easy to forget sometimes, and I definitely do it. But I totally spent 10 minutes on the reassembly because I forgot to do that too. This reassembly is just an awful thing, don't you think? After I install the main components, what I like to do is to give it a little bit of power to ensure that it's functional before I get that battery in, because usually the batteries are pretty awful to get, like, to keep in, and they may cause problems. So I just generally just like to not put them in until like the last step. And despite all those horrible, terrible mistakes, everything checked out fine, and our Flex 5 is up and running. We did a whole showcase on it, by the way. You can check it out on a little card up there. And it's ready to go. I hope these mistakes don't come back and bite me like the indigestion I usually get in the future. But the mistakes are really what makes improvement possible, and I'm cool with them. If you did enjoy, don't forget to roast me in the comments sometime around, and that's all I've got. It is one of those short ones. And I do look forward to seeing you guys in some of my other videos. See you around. Hey, glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. TPG out.